Hey everybody, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarone. Today I'm talking about the Lume Cube Strobe anti-collision light for drones. This is very cool. I've actually had this for a while, just haven't used it yet. And now that I've got my DJI Air 3, I've had it for a while, I've flown it for a bit. Love that drone and looking to put this on it. First, I have to say a few things. Number one, I bought this with my own money. Number two, these are my own true honest opinions. And number three, this video is not sponsored by Lume Cube or anybody else. So let me open this up, show you what's inside, and let's see what we think. Okay, opening it up, here's what you get. You have one red cap, one green cap. You have the strobe right here. It's gonna be charged by USB, okay, cable. And you actually have an included cable right here, okay. And then you have one adhesive with Velcro. Now, my first sort of criticism I would make of this system is I wish there were two of these, okay, maybe even three, and here's why. Maybe you have the placement and maybe you mess up, maybe you want to place it somewhere else and you only have one of these, so that's kind of a problem. I think at this sort of level, it'd be nice to have two or three of these, but also kind of like a GoPro or something. Like, what happens if I place this on my drone and then I want another drone, or I sell the drone, something like that. I really think it would have been a nice touch. Lume Cube's a quality company. I've got a number of their products, some of their other stuff, and I definitely really like it. But I think that it would have been a really good touch to have two or three of these. I think that would have made this a lot better. So that's definitely a factor for me. And I have to say, you know, huge props, because this thing has a charge on it and you can kind of, click it and it'll give you sort of different options for what it'll do here. I don't know if that's showing up great on the camera or not, but that's pretty cool. I have to definitely give them props for a battery that holds a charge. Now, if you want to turn it off, you just hold this down and then it's off. So you have to say, pretty cool, pretty easy system. I do like that a lot. That's pretty handy.
So I can just take that off and the Velcro attachment will be here, and then I can put it back on and I can charge it right here. So it makes it really easy. What I'm gonna do is, you know, seeing is believing. So I'm gonna take it outside right now and show you what this looks like in action at night. See how nice and bright that is? I can definitely see that. I'm gonna take off now, and here we go.
Take off. Home points updated.
The drone's in night mode, it's awesome. I love that with the night mode. That's really awesome with where the drone kind of shows where it's at. And you can see that strobe working right there on the top. And that's exactly where it's supposed to be. Checking everything. See it? And we're landing. Perfect landing. Really, really awesome. I love this. On a 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a 9.7. I think it is excellent. It works, it's bright. It definitely you know, sticks on here. I like the way it has the Velcro and stuff. I think it's fantastic. It's not perfect, right? I mean, now I wish there had a USB-C connection. I wish there were maybe some multiple stickies here just in case you want to put it on different drones. And I think there's some stuff out there that might be a little bit brighter. But this is awesome. It works. It's simple. You know, Lume Cube. I love Lume Cube. I have some of their products as well. So I think it's very, very good. So I'm saying 9.7. I love it. Your family may love it as well. That's my opinion. I'm John D. Blair. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.